Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to show you how to clean and condition your leather seats using only Blackline products. Today we're going to be fully cleaning and then obviously conditioning with the Blackline Reset and the Rehydrate. A couple of the products that you're going to need is obviously the Reset, Rehydrate, 2 microfibers at least, a leather brush, and then we're also going to be needing a vacuum because these seats behind me are pretty dirty. So if you have all these items or something similar, you're already ready to go. So let's go ahead and get into the car and show you how to clean those seats. All right, so now we are on the inside of the car, and as you can tell, the center console seat here is absolutely filthy. So first step is we are gonna apply a little bit of tape so we can show you guys the before and after. We got our tape laid on there. Now we can get to the actual cleaning process. So we're gonna be taking our first bottle of Reset Scented Interior Cleaner. We're gonna spray it on the first half, and then we're also gonna be taking our Blackline leather brush and agitating all the dirt up. This is gonna actually clean the seat before we go ahead and apply our leather conditioner. Couple sprays. You can be generous with it, but a little bit does go a long way with this product. And simply brush it in. And try to stay on this half, but looks like a little bit got over there already. So a couple of brushes here, pretty soft bristle. You can obviously use a microfiber, a softer brush, your brush of choice, but we just have the leather brush to offer. So, it's a little bit easier, a little bit more surface area. Gets the job done a little bit quicker. So we're gonna wipe that down after applying Reset. And as you can tell, it's already pretty much clean, but it does need to be cleaned before you go ahead and apply your leather conditioner. The biggest mistake I see people do when they go to clean their seats is they don't really clean them that well. One, they just spray and wipe away with microfiber, or they don't clean it at all and they just apply the Rehydrate. If you skip the cleaning process and just apply Rehydrate, you're still gonna have a bunch of dirt and contaminants on fabric, and your leather conditioner is not gonna bond properly with the seat, not making it as slick, and it might not help it as much when it comes to the sun affecting the leather seat. So we're gonna pop this open, make sure this is a fresh bottle. And this stuff is absolutely amazing. It literally smells just like leather. When you do apply it to your seats, it's literally like getting a brand new seat. Now that this is clean, you can take another microfiber, an applicator pad, whatever you really feel like. I would just recommend some sort of microfiber. Going to put a couple dots onto the microfiber. We're gonna rub it into the microfiber, and you can also apply it straight onto the leather. I think it's just cleaner to throw it right on the microfiber, and then we are simply going to wipe it in. As you can tell right away, it is completely glossing up this seat and transforming the leather from that dull gray back into the factory shine that you got when you first got your car. I would say give the microfiber a quick flip, buff it out a little bit, and it's still gonna hold that shine, but really work the leather conditioner into the seat. Maybe even let it sit there for a little bit while it's glossy, adhere to the seat a little bit, and then kind of wipe it away. But you do want it to be glossy because that is just gonna soak right into the leather. So you don't have to buff it away, but if you don't like the slickness, you can. Or say you're about to go sit down in your seat, you don't want it to be slick. But either way, it dries pretty fast, absorbs into the leather. And guys, that's pretty much it. We're gonna pull this tape. So now that we pulled the tape, you guys can see the clear 50/50, and that stuff to work absolutely amazing. And now it just smells like fresh leather seats in here. Absolutely love it. So guys, yeah, super simple process. Just make sure to vacuum before you go to start cleaning. So you're picking up all the little crumbs and extra contaminants that you might just be wiping around and potentially scratching your seats with. Make sure to vacuum those up. Go in with your favorite leather cleaner or just interior cleaner. This one is scented, but you don't really need this scent because it rehydrates scented and it kind of overpowers it. So make sure to clean your seats with a safe leather cleaner, and then wipe away, agitate, and then go back with the leather rehydrate, buff in, kind of buff out, let it sit into the seat, and you're gonna be left with a super smooth seat like this side. So that is how to clean your leather seats. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean the other side of this so we're not left with a dirty seat.